Okay, checkpoint 6.13b. Looking at the result of the following program. So here is the main methods. Then start with I equal to 1. There's a condition. So here it says 1 less than or equal to 6. So and then increase by 1. So we are repeating 6 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. First time we are invoking method number 1 with I happen to be equal to 1. Okay, so we are passing 1 and 2, then increase by 1. So next second time we are passing 2 and 3, 2 and 2, increase by 1. So this one continue increase from 1 to 6. Okay, no matter what, second arguments remain same. So first time we're going to have I equal to 1. Second time, same, 2. So here j equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 1. Then we come down here, print. So we are basically printing number 2, okay? And then with 1 space, here is the 1, okay? Number 2 and multiply by 2 for the second time. So first time we just print number 2. Okay, when we come back, increase by 1, so I become number 2 is not less than or equal to 1, which is not, so we print a new line. So first time we print 2 and then a new line, okay? Come back, I increase to 2, so and 2 and 2, okay? So first time it's going to print, okay, 2, okay, then multiply by 2. So second time is going to have, let's say, 2 multiplied by 2, so it will be 4, okay. Then of course there's a new line, okay. Come back, we have the same pattern, 3 and 2. So here is the 3 and then 2. So first time we print 2 and multiply by 2, so 4. Then also we have to multiply by 2 again, so it's going to be 4 and then 8. And then we go back to 4, so you get the idea. It has a similar patterns, okay. So when I is 4, we start from 2, and then we print 4, and then 8 multiplied by 2, so 4 times, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I is equal to 5, we are repeating 5 times. So with the 2, 4, 8, and then 16, and that will be 32. We still need to go for one more until I is equal to 6. So let's try one more. So it's going to print 2 and 4, 8, 16, 32, and then 64. Then here when I is 7, okay, doesn't meet the condition, we're going to be here, finish. So that will be output on your screen. Let's try. Okay, 2 and 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32 and 64. Okay, that's another just example of passing the value using methods. That's all. Thank you.